Good morning vlog. This might be one of the first videos where I don't quite make my flight because it's not looking too good. But the goal would be to go to Boston for a little day trip, visit my girl AC, but might end up in a little solo beach trip, so we'll see.
Melancholy hill, there's a plastic tree. Are you here with me? Just looking out on the day of another dream, where you can't get what you want, but you can get me. So let's set out to see. 'Cause you are my medicine.